Filing Form 1040-X to amend a previously filed tax return? We'll go over a few tips in this edition of Tax Tips by TurboTax. If you made an error on your tax return, missed a money-saving tax deduction, or forgot to claim a valuable tax credit, you can use Form 1040-X to amend your return. Here are 5 tips for filing Form 1040-X. 1. File Form 1040-X before it's too late. Generally, you must file an amended return within 3 years of filing your original return, or within 2 years after paying the tax you owe, whichever date is later. If you filed your original return before the due date, which is typically April 15th, your return is treated as if it was filed on the tax deadline, and that date is used to determine if you're within the timeline to submit an amended return. 2. Preparing Form 1040-X is straightforward. You must fill in 3 columns to report changes. Column A lists your original tax return information. Column B lists any increase or decrease. Column C is the sum of A and B. For example, if you forgot to include a $1,000 charity donation on Schedule A, you would input your original itemized deductions in Column A. Then, you'll report the increase of $1,000 in Column B, and in Column C, you'll update the new total of your itemized deductions. 3. Attach any revised forms or schedules to Form 1040-X. In the previous example, you would send both the Form 1040-X plus the revised Schedule A, showing the additional $1,000 charitable donation. 4. You can e-file Form 1040-X for the current or 2 prior tax periods. For example, if the current tax year is 2024, generally you can e-file for tax years 2024, 2023, or 2022. 5. You can track the status of your amended return using the Where's My Amended Refund tool at irs.gov. Processing times typically range from 8 to 12 weeks, but it can extend up to 16 weeks in some cases. If you need to file Form 1040-X, we're here to help. If you originally filed with TurboTax, you can easily e-file your amended return. Visit TurboTax.com for more info to help you file your taxes with confidence.